talking with those astronauts, read Wiseman, Victor Graffer, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen. Those 4 astronauts experienced flying around the moon. How do you feel this experience? Is it a matter other people experienced, or you do feel this is the very matter of all of human beings in the history of humankind? Now, you privilege to philosophize a matter of infinitesimality. What kind of existence you are. Once again, I'd like you to re-philosophize the existence of yourself as an infinitesimal being. Do you really think of that? Do you really treat yourself as an infinitesimal being? Or it is a matter of misunderstanding yourself? As for you to surely grasp and understand who you are, you've got to hazard your life to face it. Not as a matter of theory, but as a matter of your reality. Live well according to reality. Live well according to the truth. To philosophize the matter of infinitesimality, then you should be standing upon the stage to go forth. Of course, historically speaking, it was a great experience for human beings to see the opposite side of the moon this time. Then, is it a matter ultimately you need, or it is just the beginning? Do you feel it is important for humankind to go to some other planets? Do you feel it is not important to just go to satellite? Universally speaking, there is no big difference between the two, satellite and planet. What you need to do, you want to surely and profoundly philosophize the existence of yourself, who you are. It doesn't matter you live here in this 3-dimensional space or not. Would you like to experience four-dimensional space. Is it a big matter? I don't think it is big matter. Human beings are guided to first know the truth and the greatness of this environment on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating in the solar system, in one of innumerable galaxies in the universe, supernaturally given. Astrophysically speaking, I want you to feel gravitation momentarily. Feeling gravitation is the basis of bases to live as an infinitesimal being. Artemis Ⅱ gives you a lot of opportunities to think and philosophize this matter. The lecture should be finished now.